Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope Show. We have a tennis ball that someone requested that we look at a tennis ball.
Now this is a very used tennis ball.
It's
This is not
used, yeah.
fresh.
I played this. I personally played with this ball.
So this is not yellow. It's got dirt on it to make it.
It's still yellow, but
it's kind of almost green now, and
it's a Pen 3.
it's kind of pretty worn out. It's not like a new fuzzy new ball.
So here's where the writing is.
That is pretty interesting. It looks like grass.
Yeah, look where the ink just gets.
I love the picture quality right now. Something's going on. This is great quality. So that's the ink, and this is the
Oh, this is those little
that rubber thing.
rubbery lines that go through it.
Now pretty worn, you know. 'Cause
I wonder
it's
if
been
those
on
are
the course.
necessary. That little.
What's the point? Well, yeah. What are the
that
points of those?
S squiggle that goes.
What's
through
the
it.
point of those? You know, it's interesting when you look at this ball. It looks like grass. It looks like an Easter basket, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All that fur on this ball.
Try to go 1000x. But
There you go. Let's get in there and see the bugs inside. Tennis bugs.
this is a 1000x on the tennis ball here. Look at that.
You know what's actually kind of the most interesting part of this is where the ink is. What is the ink made out of?
So what we're looking at right here is where it says pen. It's the N of pen. And it's sort of just.
What is that made out of?
You keep asking me, but I don't
And
know.
no, I'm not asking you. I'm asking them. I'm asking the world. What is it made out of? I'm asking myself.
I don't know why.
I'm asking myself. What is that made out of? And do they put it on after? And that's some of the grass hairs that are sticking out of it? Must be, I guess. So they make the ball, and then they put this branding on it, I guess. Right? They stamp it.
All right, thanks for watching Microscope Show. That was
Thank
another episode, huh?
Yeah, what a ball.
What a ball.
We had a ball.
We had a ball. See you next time. Microscope, microscope, microscope show.